I'm Bud Nelson, and the Nelson family were members here at Elam for many, many years. I would like to first say that the Liebergs and the Nelsons were the closest of friends for nearly 60 years, if you can believe that. That's 2/3 of a lifetime. Anyway, I know that there are a lot of you that were very close friends with the Lieberg family, and the family was always gracious and so likable that I think that attracted many of the friends. Now, speaking more about Raleigh, I first met Raleigh at Petaluma High School. It was in August of 1953, and he was a handsome young man, and he had signed a contract to be one of the teachers teaching typing and business. And anyway, in those days, I don't know if you've been in Petaluma long enough, but we used to have a 3-story yellow brick building that was the main building at Petaluma High. And that's where we were having our faculty meeting before the school year began. I must apologize. I have a voice problem, but I'd like to carry on. Anyway, after several weeks of that school year, I should mention first that I'd already been on the staff for 3 years. I was a woodworking and drafting teacher at that time. But anyway, I overheard with my students, I heard comments about Mr. Lieberg, and they were all favorable. And I was pretty much convinced after a month or two of school that Raleigh was the perfect candidate to be a teacher. And it proved that he was. He was very effective in his work with young people. I think the Liebergs became members here at this church either near the end of his first year or at the beginning of his second year. And when they joined the church here, of course, our families had an opportunity to become better acquainted. And so Shirley and my wife Jeannie became very close friends, and we're talking about years and years ago. And that's continued over the ages. We've had a tremendous variety of activities and organizations that we belong with together, such as the Shamrock 4-H, the Petaluma Cotillion Social Dance Group. We were in 2 different bridge groups together. We traveled in Mexico and Hawaii and Death Valley, and we could go on and on. That's just an example of some of the things that we did together. And I also found, as the last speaker said, that Raleigh was a very unique person. He had so much patience, and that showed in his teaching. And he always had a positive attitude. I can say over the many years, I don't believe I really saw him angry in all of those years. Even if his beloved 49ers were to lose a game, was very noticeable. Raleigh was always a very dedicated Christian. He, in this church, served a number of terms as deacon, and he led the opening prayer many times at our opening of our SIRS meeting here in Petaluma. We went through the Bethel Bible study series together way back in the 50s. And we served together many times on the Elam Church Council. He was truly a dedicated person. We expected that he would handle his final illness with poise and optimism, and he certainly did. He'll be greatly missed by us, and we know that we have lost a dear friend.